Hey there, in this quick video we'll get your MacBook connected to your Wi-Fi. Just have your Wi-Fi password to hand. Let's get started. Grab the cursor and head to the top right. You'll see a Wi-Fi icon. Click on it and just enable Wi-Fi. Now if you don't have that Wi-Fi icon, don't worry, move across to the control center icon and you'll see Wi-Fi just here. You can toggle on just there. Now press the arrow to the right of it and you'll get a list of Wi-Fi networks in your area. Click on your Wi-Fi network. It will ask you to enter that password. After you've entered the password, go back to the control center and just have a look at Wi-Fi. Look, internet, that's my Wi-Fi. I'm connected and I can now get onto the internet and browse at pleasure. So, I hope that's been useful, and if it has, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.